Hey, what's up? I'm Buster Noble. Today I'm going to be styling my Pompadour with some Suavecito. Let's go. So first things first, you're going to need your blow dryer. You're going to need a round brush. So I'm kind of cheating. I already got a little bit of oil-based pomade in my hair from yesterday. You know, it's kind of the game. But first things first, we're going to break this down into 3 different steps. First step, you're going to have to blow dry your hair. Second step, you're going to add the pomade. Third, you're going to style it. Simple enough. First thing we're gonna do is slick it all back. You're gonna put this on high heat, you're gonna put it on low speed. Your hair is thick, it's gonna take a lot longer. Still gonna come out great. So I'm not completely done, but as you can see, it's a little bit slicked back, still wet, so it's not gonna hold. I got barely any product. So next thing's next, we're gonna start doing this and giving a bit of volume as we go. So I'm gonna slick back, and we're just gonna rotate a little. We're trying to get the roots to get a little bit straighter, maybe even a curl if possible. My hair doesn't curl. So my hair's still a bit wet. Luckily for me, that's what I'm going for. See, Suavecito makes a really good grooming spray, right? So what this will do is help add texture to my hair. If you can see, it is straight and smooth. I like a little texture. So I'm gonna add it around the base, in the front. And honestly, I'm just going for the places that I want volume to. In the front, nothing really on the sides. I'm gonna go back with my hair dryer, no concentrator. I'm actually gonna use this comb. You can see it's got vents in the back. It's gonna allow me to dry my hair a little bit quicker and retain a lot of volume. So now that that's all taken care of, we're going to be jumping into my little bag of tricks. We're going to be using some oil-based Suavecito. We're going to be jumping in with the Firme hold next. Now I like to do this step when I'm actually got hot hair. You can see me sweating even. It'll just help everything go in a lot smoother. So I got my oil-based. Big old scoop. I got thick hair, I need it. You might not. Figure it out. So you're gonna figure out your own way to do this. Personally, I make sure everything is nice and warmed up, nice and smooth in my hands. And I might give it a good top layer first, right? But I make sure to keep that grease, like doing this, so it gets in between my fingers, so I can get more coverage area when I'm going through my hair. It's looking good, right? So next, I got it all nice and in. This might work, I might be able to shape it, but I won't get the hold I want. So that's why we're jumping in with the Firme hold. Once again, we're doing the same exact thing. My sides stick out a lot, so I tend to put a little bit more product in the sides. I put a lot of product in. I use more than the normal person, but I got more hair than the normal person. So I'm still sweaty. I can't actually finish my hair until this product cools off. I could get it into shape, but you'll see what I mean right here. So first things first, I'm gonna be slicking back, but kind of at an angle so that my hair starts to sit on itself. You'll hopefully understand. But as you can see, it slicks back like it should. But it might lift a little, it might not stay where it's left. That's just because my grease is still warm. So it's not gonna bind too well as it would if it was cold. In a lot of cases, people would say this is good enough. I don't like good enough. So, getting everything nice and in shape, I'm actually gonna take a break. Let my hair really cool down. But it's a good start, right? Alright, so we back. So, pomade has cooled off. Hair is cooled off. They're looking good. So, I'm gonna be using my big pick. I'm just gonna be combing up, back, doing the same thing. We're gonna get it all into shape, and we're gonna clean it all up. Now, my pompadour has 3 separate spots. The top, the sides, and we'll see that I got a DA in the back. DA, duck ass, that asshole part in the back I've been called. It is what it is. So, flick it all back. Next. Doing the same here. If you're ambidextrous, then you're better than me at this already. Okay? Sides are pretty well slicked back. I got tools for that if it sticks out. Pump it up, and slick it back. When you're going for the pump up front, you want this to be layered out, so you might have to comb deep at first, but progressively move closer to the front. You're basically setting up your foundation, and then you're gonna polish it all back. There's probably better ways to put that. That's just what I use. But that's easy. Alright, so I like this front, right? So I got a bunch of flyaways still. Easy peasy. Gonna grab our round brush again. Gonna find spots like this one right here. I'm just gonna gently comb it away. Flick it back. Now some of you might actually have good hair. It doesn't need all this extra stuff. I got super Chinese hair. Stuff doesn't like to work with anything. Doesn't like to stick by itself. Nothing. So, This is what I gotta do. Now if you gotta do it too, I'm glad I'm showing you. If not, you could skip this step in all reality. So, nice shape. Everything in the front looks good. Got one strand right here I want to deal with. Truthfully, you can get away with a lot. People don't see this style often. Unless they're an actual barber or something, they're not going to be looking all that deep. So, front's looking good. We're going to jump to the back. Best part about a DA is that you can't see nothing. So what I'm trying to do is just brush it all to the middle. Then I'm going to take anything to separate. A finger works just as well. And we just split it down the middle. Shape it back into place. And there you go. And there you have it. Perfectly slicked back, pompadour, nice tight sides. Now I know I got a little fluff here. I've been working on growing out for the taper. My hair needs a lot of length in order to actually get this done. So, we're growing it back out. Have fun. Figure it out yourself. Hopefully this is a good guide. Love yourself. Bye.